Alright, so we're gonna run a diagnostic real quick. The auto detect. See what we come up with. This is actually the charger. So we're gonna see what we get. Alright, so the only thing that's coming up is the park neutral safety switch performance, toggleable wire, a couple other codes. So I believe this is gonna be the reason why it's not going into other gears. So I'm gonna jack the car up really quick. There's a little bit of fluid leaking from somewhere, and I'm gonna try to see if I can find out where it's coming from. It has a sealed transmission, so I thought we were gonna be able to check it with the dipstick, but we're not. So this is that route we're gonna go. All right, so see, we can clearly see there's some transmission fluid leaking from right this area. It goes up into the radiator, and then we're gonna follow. We're gonna trace these two wires back, not wires but hoses. Those, and which it's these two right here. 1, 2. Goes back to the transmission fluid, and it's a sealed transmission, so ain't like you can check it. So you literally have to just change and siphon it back in. So good. So I'm gonna shift the module. As I'm shifting it, you'll be able to see up here, and what it does is it jumps back into park. It don't matter where I put it, and that's what happens when your transmission fluid. There's no transmission fluid inside the transmission on these. Cause it's like an electric module, so it's not letting it kick into gear.